This video will address the timing of minor AutoLOK 2 outlet gates. The term in time refers to the operation of the gate drive mechanism. This operation affects lock engagement, door movement, and potential seal. There are two reasons a minor AutoLOK 2 will go out of time. One is improper operation, which commonly is associated with using openers that use excessive torque. And number two, the gate was dismantled for a particular reason like cleaning or repairs or maintenance, and it was not reassembled correctly. An out-of-time gate can be determined through a visual inspection. One or both of the lock cams may not fully seat in the closed lock position. One or both of the pinions may not be aligned with one another. The door will not be parallel to the frame. If any of the previous conditions were observed, the drive mechanism must be retimed. Verify if one or both pinions need to be adjusted. It is possible that both pinions need to be adjusted. If it is only one pinion, remove the operating handle closest to that pinion. Using two 3/4 inch wrenches, remove the bolt and nut from one operating handle. Pull the opposing handle and shaft assembly out to provide enough clearance to remove the pinion. Reposition the pinions to the correct orientation. Ensure the door is fully closed and locked. Make sure pinions are nested within the door rack. Slide shaft through and apply the handle in correct position. Verify that the operating handle and the cam follower are in the correct position. Verify the lock cam is in the correct position. Perform a quarter turn to ensure minor's patented lost motion technology is working correctly. Then fully close the gate. Replace the 3/4 inch bolt. Then open and close the gate completely to finish your verification. You have retimed the gate.